Now let me invite forward Tony West and his wife Maya for the administering of the oath. Our new Assistant Attorney General for the Civil Division, Tony West, comes to the department from Morrison Foerster in San Francisco, where he was a litigation partner representing both individuals and companies in a wide range of civil and criminal litigation. Tony previously served as Special Assistant Attorney General in California, as an Assistant United States Attorney in the Northern District of California, and as a Special Assistant to Attorney General Janet Reno and Deputy Attorneys General Phil Hyman and Jamie Gorella. He's a graduate of Harvard University and Stanford Law School. Tony, as the Assistant Attorney General for the Civil Division, you are, in a very real sense, the managing partner of the government's law firm. Under your leadership, the Civil Division lawyers will represent the United States, its departments and agencies, members of Congress, and critically, cabinet secretaries in all civil litigation throughout the United States. That means me, buddy. All right? So I am one of your clients, your most important client. Let me just say that I am incredibly confident in my new lawyer, and I am thrilled that you are here to take on this critical role for the department. Repeat after me. I state your name, do solemnly swear.
I, Tony West, do solemnly swear.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
Against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
Against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I take this obligation freely.
That I take this obligation freely.
Without any mental reservation.
Without any mental reservation.
Or purpose of evasion.
Or purpose of evasion.
And that I will well and faithfully discharge.
And that I will well and faithfully discharge.
The duties of the office on which I'm about to enter.
The duties of the office upon which I'm about to enter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me begin by thanking you, my newest client, the Attorney General of the United States, and the President of the United States for the confidence you both have placed in me and for the opportunity to return to the Department of Justice where I began my public service. I want to thank my many friends here who come from all chapters of my life and have traveled from all corners of the country to share this day. I'm pleased to be here with so many of my DOJ colleagues, past and present. And I'm so grateful to be blessed with a wonderful family, many of whom are with me today. My parents, Peggy and Franklin, whose unconditional love and support made possible my journey to this great hall. My Aunt Portia and her husband Stan. My Uncle Lawrence and my wonderful cousins Janice and Jennifer, my brilliant daughter Mina, and my best friend, my law school classmate, the anchor of our family and the love of my life, my wife, Maya. It is truly an honor to be back in this department. Within these walls, I learned to be a lawyer, and the most formative and enduring experiences of my legal career took place. I first came to this building over 15 years ago, a newly minted lawyer working as a special assistant in the Deputy Attorney General's office. From there, I became an assistant U.S. attorney, prosecuting cases for several years in the Northern District of California, where I grew up. These experiences instilled in me a profound respect for the talented career professionals of this department, like those I now join in the Civil Division. You are, as Attorney General Holder has said, the backbone, heart, and soul of this great department. I know your mission has never been easy, and in these uncertain times, your task has become increasingly difficult. Yet day in and day out, your commitment to upholding the integrity of the nation's laws is unwavering. I share your commitment, and together, We will work to maintain the safety of the American people through the Civil Division's work involving national security and fighting terrorism. No task is more critical. We will continue to protect the taxpayers' dollars by vigorous enforcement of our nation's anti-fraud and false claims statutes, and we will renew our commitment to ensuring the professionalism, independence, and credibility of the Civil Division and the Department as a whole. In the days just before I left to assume my assignment in the U.S. Attorney's Office, then Attorney General Janet Reno spent some time meeting with me. I'll never forget that day. Wishing me well, she wanted me to understand fully the unique role that Justice Department lawyers play in our legal system. And as we ended our meeting, she showed me an inscription not far from the Attorney General's office that reads, and I'm paraphrasing, "The government wins its case when justice is done." That has been my guiding principle throughout my public service. It continues to guide me now as I assume this office and the privilege of working with you to serve the American people and this country we love so much. Thank you very much.